Welcome back to TechVibes. Are you looking for the best way to get updated apps on your streaming device this month? Today I am sharing the absolute best online store code that I am using on my Android TV. This single code gives you access to a massive library of working entertainment apps, media players, and tools. Best of all, every single application is constantly updated so you will not have to deal with broken or outdated versions. Let us jump right into how to set this up. You are watching TechVibes. If you want to keep these apps running smoothly without any annoying buffering, make sure to use NordVPN on your device. Check out the installation link right down in the description and top pinned comment. So, why does your default streaming setup feel so limited out of the box? Amazon hides the advanced system controls to keep you in their paid ecosystem, which causes restrictive app store limits, hidden background tracking, and heavy data throttling from your internet provider. First, we need to install the application that lets us access this private library. Go over to your Google Play Store or any web browser on your Android TV and search for the Downloader app. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet network. If you are using a 2.4 GHz network, ensure the signal is strong so you do not experience any connectivity issues. Once you find Downloader, download and install it straight away to your device. Now, launch the Downloader app. You will see a white URL box on the home screen. Click on that box and type in the short code 10381. I have used this exact code for over 2 years and it always works perfectly. Once you enter the code, wait a few seconds for the page to load. It will automatically redirect you to download the installation file. When the download finishes, click Install. Before opening the app, make sure to delete the original installation file to save precious storage space on your device. Next, launch your newly installed application. You will see an input field on the screen that asks for a library code. Click Enter to bring up your on-screen keyboard. Type in the word everything. Make sure there are no spaces at the beginning or at the end. It must be written as one single word. You can type it out in all capital letters or lowercase letters. If you type it exactly as shown without any gaps, it will load up perfectly. The main reason I recommend this specific library for TechVibes viewers is because the creator updates the applications constantly. You can browse through the sections and see that the media players and streaming tools were updated just a few weeks ago. If an app ever goes out of date or stops working, you can simply come back to this exact library to download the newest version. To install any app from this screen, simply click the download button next to it. Once the download finishes, click install and it will be ready to use on your television. That concludes today's quick guide. If you want me to share more secret library codes, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like down below to support the channel. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button so you never miss another tech update. Thank you for watching TechVibes, and I will see you all in the next video.